Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and my name is Zeps. If you're new here, welcome to Blue Moon Travelers, and show me some love and hit that subscribe and bell button to know what I'm up to next. And today's summer outing naata sa Zenaida's farm. It's still naaga punta sa Davao City, and Zenaida's farm is somewhere well, tanawan na lang sa Google and you will accurate man siya. That's what I used para to navigate myself in traveling here, kay medyo lucid gud siya pangitaon, and it's quite challenging if you don't have any, if you don't use Waze or Google Maps para malocate siya, kay sulunon siya gamay. And also, if you're going to travel here, it's best that you are taking or riding a motorcycle or mag-SUV mo, kay ang dalan pasulod is very dili siya rough road, but dagko og how do you say it, indentations, kay medyo lapok siya nga lugar pasulod. So if you're coming to Zenaida's, tanawa siya sa Google Maps or sa Waze, but I used Google Maps and it's accurate. Take the motorcycle or an SUV na medyo taas-taas og height ang inyong sakyanan, kay medyo wavy ang pasaka og naog sa dalan. And that road is coming in from the main road. Medyo kung first timer ka, you would think nawala naman ko, but if you're here already, makita ni mga you're not, you're still in Davao City, but the place is very, how do you say, connecting with nature. So welcome to another episode of Blue Moon Travelers, and we are at Zenaida's farm and pool. Join me. So this is the entrance pasulod sa Zenaida's. Dire pala makita na nimo ang nasa like pool over there. So let me just take this time to shout out to my editor Andy, and to the first subscribers of the channel. I'm glad you guys are here, and to those who are new, this is your travel guide to the least known resorts or inland resorts, but still a very good place to go. It beats you nga maglinya padulong sa Samal og half day nga naman tay mga resorts within Davao City, or if you go up north naa sa Mati, go south naa sa Jensen, you know, there's a lot of resorts. If you go to well, I've never been there, so if you go to way up north sa may Cagayan and then go straight, I guess mo out to Dakak. So this is the entrance, the announcements right there. So what I did, so Zenaida's farm rules right there. No diving, just pause the video kung gusto niyo basahon. There we go. This is the resort itself. So let's start a tour here. Let's see what's in here. What I did before coming here, since it is Holy Week, daghan nagabakasyon, is there are two ponds here. On their advertisements na sila, actually you can actually fish or do some fishing activities dire, but I don't know, because from the looks of it medyo green. So that's the two pools there. No, not really pool. See, it says fishing area. I don't know how much ang gear nila to do fishing here, and what kind of fish would live in there, but I guess it's as good as any other place na maka-fishing. But anyway, so back to the topic. So where was I? Yes. So if during the holidays nabasa na ko or nakita na ko sa Facebook and social media na grabe ang linya padulog Samal. Oh my god. Oh wait. Guys, there are other resorts in Davao na pwede atuhon dan to get yourself hassled or inconvenienced by traveling to Samal nga linya mog half day pag abot dito sa buhaton niyo pag abot niyo dito sa beach itself. Mulangoy na mag 5 minutes then mauli na pod kay because the people that are going to travel there are the same people that you are going to travel back to Davao. Here's another view of another fishing pond. Actually naay duha ka pool dire. That pool over there, and then there's a kiddie pool over that, and if you look over there is another pool there. So let's go. So back to the topic. So there we are. Why would you hassle yourself na mag hulat og half day sa padulog Samal nga namay daghang resort sa Davao? My god, the Philippines is an island nation, so there's a lot of beaches that you can travel to. A little bamboo bridge there. The bamboo bridge is, I don't know, if we fall, we fall. If not, then it could be a good test for the GoPro. So there you go. So kiddie pool, I think. So if you come here, dapat it's advisable that number reservation so that you can take advantage of the proper cottage. But if not, I guess this is where you'd end up. Good if cloudy, but if in it, oh, by the way, over there is another resort. Did not enter, but from the looks of this place, medyo lingaw siya, can I be joking? We have a little river here. Well, what I like about this place is not because of a farm. It's really a farm, and you don't get to see a farm that has a creek running through it. Nindot kayo siya. Pwede ka mag-imo-imo dira. Tonight's the night that I'm fighting. Could it be? Something like that. People relaxing over the Holy Week for the Philippines. And if you're not religious, then it's just another Holy Week with your family. It's a good place to do it. Either way. Chickens. So back to the topic. Explore other resorts. Ato ba mo og Dakak, ato ba mo og resort sa CDO, mo ato ba mo og Mati is really good. Daghan og beach. That's where we're going next, hopefully. Kung mo ato mo south na ay Jensen, na ay Gumasa. Hell, if mo ato lang mag Buda, pabugnaw mo sa ibabaw sa bukid. So this is I guess this is silang bonfire. Nasa bonfire area if you are going to be in an overnight stay. They have that. So from this part here, that is the view of the place. Let's go. So one would assume, okay na po siguro mo assume na the water sa pool is from an open spring. Kaya na sila yung machine right there that pumps water. Also, I read their website o Facebook page na sila they are closed on Tuesdays, maybe for maintenance sa ilang pool, but it's really a good place to stay or to have a vacation. Nature feels ng Sugbahanan grilling area and another ang ilahang restrooms. Let's see unsay na adere. What's behind the restroom? Number 1. So you can hear the strong flow of water inside, so I would guess that is from a spring. Look at the tanawa ang ilahang creek dire. Tinaw kaayo ang creek. Let me have it. GoPro something view from this end. The creek, something for the thumbnail. So may mga cottages. We'll explore it later. Mabuti pa tayo. So I don't know if we can come down here and check the creek, but also if you're vlogging, always stay safe. Why am I using a face mask? Well, it's better to be safe, you know. Vaccinated matatanan, pero I have gotten used to wearing masks, so I'm not comfortable anymore of walking around without it. The bridge over there, another bamboo bridge. Walking the bamboo bridge again. Whoa! Whoa! Mura kong mahulog. Shit! Okay. Baby steps. Baby steps. That is the GoPro Hyper Smooth 4.0 for you guys. Not really shaking, no. Okay, we are at Naido ka pool sa Zenaida's. The best thing about the pool nila is dili siya lalom. Take for example that, so it's really safe for the kids. Kiddie pool. Let's take a tour around the pool. So rules. Just don't go on diving. Well, swimming is allowed until 2 AM kaya na inaga night swimming sa mga naga-night swimming sa mga overnight staying guests. Should we try the GoPro sa ilalim sa tubig? Oh well, just because I can doesn't mean I will. It's some very very expensive equipment. I like the nature feel, really. Lingaw, hilom, we have a shade, fresh pag ng tubig. Take a shower before you hit the pool. So, money ang mga cottages nila. If you get to have an advanced booking, bayad na lang mag-cottage. It's good for 15 people. Dere. It's good for 15 people right here. And it's open, of course, open air, fresh. And then you get to have a view by the pool. So these are the overnight staying guests would be accommodating. 2k or 2,000 pesos per night. May aircon. It could fit a family of, I don't know, I think yun nila 4 people libre na, and then the extra view from this end. So where was, oh yeah, before my camera died, tungod kay GoPro camera said that it was too hot, so it had to cool down. So where was I? Okay, we were about to explore this. So from this vantage point you can see everything, the view of the farm itself. So let's see. It's a nice touch that most of the places here, or the houses, cottages here, are made of bamboo. I don't know if you can go up there, but that's it's locked, but we can just assume that there'd be beds, there'd be air conditioning. The capacity, for the 3 persons capacity is 4. If you bring extra guests, those are the people that you have to pay for if you are renting the 2K area. Let's finish off this tour because we have pretty much moved through, or so the entire complex or the entire compound. Guests are coming in as well at this time. It is time to buy some joists. From the local store. Oh, before I forget, bawal magdala og liquor. You have to buy it here. Soft drinks, I think there's a cork cage of 50, and then the lechon is 200. The rest, no cork cage. Ayo. Ay, nari. Nami pilsen te.
Ano siya ka ng grande?
Oh, grande.
Oo na.
Pila?
140.
140.
Opo.
Isa daw.
Saka buok.
Oh, isa lang kabuok. Oo. Kay is very much igang te. Grabe init. In the summertime when the weather is fine. Grabe. Ano bawat patak, ano sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto mo? Ang beer na to, pag-ibig ko. Ha! So what do I think of it? Ano ba? Well, actually it's good. Okay ba? Nakaka sa syudad, nakakagyapon sa Davao City. Dili ka muhulat og 10 years para makasakay barge padulog Samal. And then it also has the nature feels. Naga juga literally naa ka sa farm na naa sa nature tripping. Naay pool sa tunga. Farm animals. May gwapo na creek nga nag-agi sa tunga. Fresh water, fresh air. And it's depending on you, fresh food. So barato pa gid ang, well, if you have reservations, well, barato, relatively barato ang, what do you call this, ang ilang entrance fee, 50 pesos per head. And then if you are going to rent a cottage like what I have now, good for 15 persons, it's 500 pesos. So it's basically a good deal. And after ana, paggawas mo just a few, well, maybe 30-45 minutes travel, lang yapon ka sa syudad. No need to rush home and rush your vacation. That's the main purpose of vacation, nga makarelax ka, dili nang ma-stress ka, pasakay pa lang ka sa barge. So do I recommend this particular inland resort? Of course, yes, I do. I like the ambience, I like the relaxing place, or the relaxing location of this place. There's really nothing more to say. So that's all for this episode of Blue Moon Travelers. See you on the road. Dito